Mom, Dad, look at my report card.
Wow. Lily, an A+. This is amazing.
We are so proud of you, Lily. You worked very hard.
Lily, this is a gift for you. Go ahead, open it and see what's inside.
A laptop. Thank you, Dad. Thank you, Mom.
Wow, a laptop. My result is next. Maybe I will get a big gift too.
Nora, this is a C grade. This is not good.
Sorry, Dad, but do I have a gift?
Thank you, Dad.
An alarm clock. Why?
Nora, you waste your time. You sleep too much. You play games too much. You need to know the value of time. This clock will help you.
Nora, remember this. Gifts come from hard work. Gifts are not free.
I hate this clock. I hate this gift.
Lily is the favorite. Mom and Dad love her. They do not love me. Lily is my enemy. Maybe I should hide Lily's laptop. Maybe I should break it. It is not fair.
I am not special. No one in this house cares about me.
Good morning, Nora. Do you want some juice?
No, I do not want anything.
Are you okay, Nora?
Be quiet, Lily. You are just a show-off. You think you are better than me because of your laptop.
I was just trying to help.
Nora, do not speak to your sister like that.
Nora, sit down and eat your breakfast.
I am not hungry. David, maybe the alarm clock was too much. Nora looks really sad.
I do not want to hurt her heart. I love Nora. But she must learn, because she needs to learn. Life is about effort. If she does not work hard now, her future will be difficult.
The clock is a lesson, not a punishment. Oh, it was not because they hate me. It was a lesson.
Why is this so hard? I do not get anything. I can not do this. I am not smart like Lily. Nora, can I come in?
No, go away, Lily. I do not want to talk.
Please, Nora, just listen to me for a minute. Why are you here to show me how smart you are? No, I came because you are my sister. Then why does it feel like I am always behind you? You are not behind me, Nora. You are learning in a different way. I try so hard and still fail. That does not mean you are not smart. You just need help. We are a team. We can study together every day.
A team? Yes. If you want, you can use my laptop. We can study together every day.
You would really help me after how I behaved? Of course. You are my sister. You are not angry with me? No, Nora. I love you. I am sorry, Lily. I was wrong. I said bad things. It is okay. What matters is you are trying now.
Okay, let us start today.
That is my sister. We will do this together.
The next 2 weeks are very busy. Every day, Nora and Lily study together. The room is quiet.
Okay, Nora. Let us start with something easy. Are you ready? I think so, but what if I get it wrong?
Then you learn. That is how it works. Okay, let us try.
Is the answer 12? Yes, that is correct. Really? I got it right? Yes, I knew I could do it. This is so exciting.
I want to sleep more. No. I have to wake up.
Lily, I am so tired. Can we stop now? Just one more page. You are doing great.
One more page, okay.
Lily, I solved this by myself. That is amazing, Nora. This is actually fun now. I do not understand this part. It is okay. Let us break it into small steps.
Okay, step by step.
Nora uses the clock every day. She studies, takes breaks, and studies again. She is changing.
Thank you. You really helped me.
Nora, how was your test?
Do not be scared. Just tell us.
Please, just see it.
Sara, look at this.
What happened?
She did it. Nora got an A.
Oh, Nora, we are so proud of you.
I really tried this time.
Nora, this is for you. You earned it.
It is a laptop. You worked hard. This is your reward.
Nora, aren't you going to use it?
Thank you for helping me, for not giving up on me. You did the hard work. I just helped a little.
Now I understand. Gifts come from effort.
That's right, Nora.
And this was my first real gift.
Really? The clock?
Yes. At first, I hated it. I thought it was a punishment. And now?
Now I know it was a lesson. It taught me the value of time.
I am glad you understand.
The laptop is nice, but the time I saved and the work I did, that is my real success.
I am proud of you, Nora. We are proud of both of you. Subscribe now for more loving family stories.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Like this video and subscribe now. See you in the next video.